Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a water bottle bomb in less than 5 minutes. First, empty your water bottle and put the vinegar inside. It doesn't really matter how much vinegar you put in there, but the more you put, the bigger the explosion will be. Next, grab a paper towel and put the baking soda inside. Again, the more you put, the bigger the explosion. Now, put the paper towel inside the bottle and close the cap quickly. If everything's working, the ball should get very firm.
Oh, it's fizzing still. Holy moly, feel how hard it is. It's like a rock.
Last, just throw it up in the air.
Watch out. Oh my God. That was loud. That was loud.
By the way, this is about how much baking soda we used, and this is about how much vinegar we used. Also, don't fill the whole bottle with vinegar and put 3 pounds of baking soda, because then it will explode too early. And that's how you make a water bottle bomb.